Hey guys, this is Alan with CCO, and I'm here with Javier with Belzona Boats. They were gracious enough to invite me out here to their amazing location here in Doral, Florida. You can see behind me, I don't know how many square feet are we looking at here, Javier?
The whole facility is about a little over 100,000 square feet.
Wow, it's impressive to say the least. So we're gonna go through from A to Z, from the entrance all the way back to their production facility. So I hope you guys enjoy what you see. This is a reception area you don't often see at many boat builder facilities, just to start here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice for receiving clients, dealers here. We do a lot of orientations. People come by the factory all the time, so it's nice to have a pretty decent facility.
Different office areas, conference rooms here. Very nice presentation room here. You can already see that Belzona does not cut any corners when it comes to their clients.
And where we're at right now, this is our design room. When you purchase a boat, if you'd like to come by here, you have the option of taking a look at various upholstery samples, Korean samples, SeaDeck, etc. Right? You'll see, for example, some different stitching options for upholstery, different patterns you can incorporate, different radar units you might have, some of the different components aboard the boat, just to get an idea for the quality behind them. And
definitely nice to be able to come in here and touch it with your own hands and feel, you know, what it is that you're picking before you pick it, and you can basically customize the boat quite a bit to your liking, your style. You know, there's a million different options here, which again is not common in the industry. So
if we keep making our way back over this way, we'll eventually end up at the factory.
Here we go. So this is where the magic happens?
Yep, here you've got our production floor, and you see from what we've got going on, we've got a mixture of some new 27, 32, and 40-foot builds. Here you've got a 27 walk-around.
The famous green boat you've probably seen around. Not many of those, so this one definitely sticks out.
A new build for a 32 center console.
Tell us a little bit about this door, Javier.
Right, so this whole door gets added on later along these rails you see here. The whole piece slides aft, and you get an opening of about 40 inches, which is great for accessibility, whether you're fishing, whether you're diving, whether you need to have a boat that's handicap accessible. It really gives you a lot of versatility. You'll get a ladder, you see the telescopes out right here, opens up like so, and that makes it great for getting back on with your diving gear. You don't have to bring your feet in between ladder with the poles, right?
Well, the fact that it's handicap accessible, I believe this is the only one that has an opening big enough for a wheelchair to come through off a dock or something. So
right. So this is a patented design of ours, so I don't think you'll see anything anywhere near this on any other boat for a while.
No. Right? What's amazing is how they do a door like that, but actually once it's closed, it's as firm and as stable as any other normal center console.
Here's also a new build for a 27 walk around. You can see this in its beginning stages. This will eventually get the hard top with the forward-facing windshield, the tusk, and the leaning post. This one we don't do the sliding door on, we do more of a dive door that hinges out.
Space and a lot of cabin space for a 27. How many can you sleep in there, would you say?
You can comfortably sleep 2 in there. You got a V-berth with a removable filler piece, and that'll let you get in that air-conditioned cabin 2 sleeping comfortably overnight.
Yep. Very nice. The console looks nice as well. What do you have back here?
And then on the console, you have the option to add in a single or dual screen setup, 16-inch touchscreen display, bow thruster if you'd like.
Pretty much anything you want. Well, you can see how organized and clean they have everything here. I just witnessed them squeegeeing the floor. So they're actually cleaning the floor as the work is being done here. Probably the first time I ever see that. So an organized shop, a clean shop, you know the final product is going to be well done, clean, and you know something you're going to want when you're spending the money on a boat like this. So very impressive. It's always nice to take a look at the guts, the inner working of a boat like this. I did have the luxury, and they did invite me to spend the day on this 40, and it literally looks like a penthouse apartment out on the water. It's extremely comfortable, very sturdy, very well built.
Over here you can actually see, these are the fish boxes right here that we add in. So you have plenty of room. Here you can see the deck that's going to go aboard this hull. And when you've seen this before, you know, we'll do the lounge seating up here, along with the bow seating in the front. From this angle, you can get a real nice idea of how open and spacious the cockpit ends up being on this boat. You can really outfit this to do whatever you like. You got the option of adding in a galley kitchen with a stainless barbecue. You can add dual benching if you'd like as well. You can outfit this with Tournament XL live well, 60-gallon pressurized. You can do your standard live well here as well. Like I mentioned earlier with those fish boxes right here, your nice big accessible hatches for them. Nice big accessible hatches for your batteries, your generator, and your bilge compartments. Additional storage you can see right there on either side. Giant, very deep storage compartments. The idea of being here, you have the flexibility to do anything.
The thing that's actually nice here as well, it gives you extra access in your hatches underneath, but also when you're driving this boat or you're actually sitting in the lounge seats, you're up above pretty much everyone else that's in a similar sized boat, a 40-footer. So, I mean, you're large and in charge when you're in this 40-foot Belzona.
Right. Here's also a brand new 32 walk around. This is headed off to our local dealer for South Florida, Intermarine. And this is just about ready to go. We just finished some quality control testing on it earlier this week. And it should be off within a matter of days.
That's a pretty looking silver color, silverish gray combo on this.
So you'll see how the paint runs here along the chine. And you can get a really nice view here of this sort of reverse shine we have and the streaking along the bottom side of the boat. This is part of what contributes to real nice smooth ride that we've had. That along with a deep beat towards the back, you're looking at about a 22-degree dead rise over the canopy.
Very nice. Well, definitely a beautiful boat. Amazing factory, I have to say. It's very impressive. One of the cleanest and well positioned that I've seen, I guess, appointed. So congratulations. Well, one thing Belzona understands well, and I can appreciate, obviously, being in the social media section and the marketing that we do at Center Consoles Only, you know, they have a whole team set up to do their content building. They have high quality photography on every boat that they build, videos, and it's stuff for the end user to see. So I can appreciate that. I'm sure you guys can as well. It's a way to learn about a boat before you step foot on it. That way you're educated and you know what you're gonna go see before you see it at a boat show. At that point, you're ready to pull out your deposit slip and get a boat ready to go.
Sure.